Okay. Okay. So I'll be sharing you the screen. Just let me know whether like this is done or not. Like accordingly, like I'll be explaining you if required the problem. Okay. Because should be a flow. I cannot just directly start the next topic. So the next topic, I think, I don't know whether, see, first of all, Gautam, were the ratios, this is the first time you were doing it or you have done it earlier? No, I was asking you a question. Did you do it earlier or you have done this first time?
I didn't learn this.
Okay. Okay.
Let's just go back to the basics.
You want to go back to the basics?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, fine. Let's see. Let's see today this class, and then I'll plan it accordingly. Okay. Can you answer this?
No, I don't know this.
All right. Okay. So I'll be explaining. Okay. I think let me do this other part. I think that way we could build it more a better way. Okay. Yes, Gautam. So this is the question here. I think this is a lot better. So just read this one and then I'll be giving you the task. So have you planned any birthday party, Gautam, by yourself? All by yourself?
No, never did.
Okay.
All right. Have you ever planned a birthday party? If not, then today is that special day. We will be helping John and Mia to plan an awesome birthday party. The first task I'm going to do is to bake a cake. Now I'm going to know the recipe for 1 kilogram of a cake, 40 grams of baking powder, 20 grams sugar, 20 grams margarine, 3 eggs, cow's milk, 2 tablespoons vanilla essence, and 1 teaspoon baking powder.
Okay. So this 1 kg of cake will be sufficient for 10 people.
Yeah.
But the party, there are like 40 of them. 40 people are coming to the party. Okay. So obviously
Wait,
1
is that
kg.
the actual people or are you just saying?
The actual people. Yes. I'm not just saying. Yeah.
Okay.
So there are 40 people who are coming to the party.
So we have
And
to make 4 kilograms of cake.
fine, that's really good. Okay.
And to make that, they'll need 16 grams of baking powder, 800 grams sugar, 800 grams of margarine, 12 eggs. How many cups of milk?
That's 1 cup.
4 cups of milk, 8 tablespoons of vanilla essence, and 4 tablespoons of baking powder.
Okay. So now what you have done, you basically did the ratio part only, right? Subconsciously, you have applied the concept, right? You know that this is the amount of things you require. How you have done? You know that the ratio before 1 kg and 4 kg. Basically, this is the ratio. This is called the ratio. For every 1 part, you need 4 parts of something else, right?
Yeah.
So that way you have just done, if you see there, 400 grams of baking flour, right? For every 400 grams of baking flour, you need 1600 grams of baking flour.
Yeah.
So that is what the ratio is. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, can you try this?
What is the ratio of the dog to its legs in each case? So, all right, so the ratio is 4 to 8.
Each case. So this is case 1 and this is case 2. And he's asking what is the ratio of dog to its legs. There are 2 different things.
Oh yeah, it's 1 to 8, 1 to 8.
In case 1, how many dogs can you see?
1. In case 2, there's 2.
And yeah, in case 1, how many legs do you see then?
4.
So the ratio is 1:4 in the
4 to
case.
8, 4 to 8.
Wait. What about the case 2? How many dogs could you see?
2, and that's 8 legs.
And when we cancel them?
Yeah, that's 1 to 2.
1:2?
2.
No?
That's the ratio.
Yeah, like 2 times 1 and 2 times what? You're trying to,
4 times 2.
yeah.
1 4 actually. 1 4. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Can you try this one now? The ratio? What would be the ratio?
3 dogs, 4 dogs, 5 dogs.
Yeah.
All right, so 3 to 12, 1 to 4. The first one is 1 to 4. Wait, does each dog have 2 legs or 4 legs? Because I'm only seeing 2.
No, it's 4. You assume it's
Oh,
that it's not
right.
handicapped or
Okay,
something.
okay. All right, the next one is also 1 to 4.
Yeah. So did you see the pattern here? Even when we
Actually,
try
all of
to,
them are 1 4.
yeah. So all of them we are getting it as like 1:4. All right.
Yeah.
Fine. We are going at a good pace here. Can you try this now?
Right. Imagine there are 12 mangoes and 20 oranges in box A and 30 mangoes and 60 oranges in box B. What is the ratio of mangoes to oranges in box A and box B? Is the ratio of mangoes to oranges in both the boxes the same? All right, so the ratio, all right, for box A, it's 1 to 2. And for the first, and wait, it actually is the same. It's the same. It's the same. It's the first 10 to 20, and that's 1 to 2. And the second one is 30 to 60, and that's 1 to 2 as well. So they're both the same.
Okay. But he's like, see, what is the ratio of Okay. So this you're saying the 1:2 for box A.
Yeah, it's for both of them. It's actually
Okay.
for both.
Box B as well, 1:2. Is the ratio of mangoes to the oranges in both the box? Yes, it's same. You're right. Okay. See, now we are learning a topic called proportion.
Okay.
Proportion is nothing but, Gautam, if the ratios are same, as we got
Oh yeah, like just like wait, proportional means like the same ratio. They
yes.
equals.
Yes. So see here, the 10:20 is 1:2,
Yeah.
and 30:60 is as well 1:2. Getting
Yeah.
it? Okay. Now, can you answer this?
All right. Alex has 4 red balls and blue 4 blue balls. John has 15 red balls and 16 blue balls. Do they have the same ratio? All right. So 10 to 4 is 5 to 2, and that is also 5 to 2. So they're proportional.
They are proportional.
Next.
Can you try this?
Find the fourth term if the proportion in the first 3 terms are 3, 5, and 21. All right, it's 35.
Yes, that's right. Very good.
For every 12 mangoes I buy, 3 are rotten. How many mangoes will I have if I buy 100 mangoes? All right, so the ratio of that is 12 to 3. Well, actually, it's 1 to 4. 1 to 4. And then it's 25. You'll have 25. You'll have 25 rotten mangoes if we buy 100 of them.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Okay. Now we are learning about one more thing. So we learned about ratio. You know how ratio works. You learned now about proportions as well. Now we are learning another part. It's called okay. Where is this? Draw eraser. Okay. Yeah, direct and in indirect proportion.
Yeah.
Okay, so see here, this is the number of people. Okay, and this is the milk cartons. If number of people increase, the usage of milk or the consume what they consume the milk will it increase or will it decrease?
All right, so there's four. All right, in the first one we have 4 people and two milk bottles. And in the second one we have 6 people and there are 3 milk bottles. So all right. So then the ratio for that is 2 to 1, and then that's also 2 to 1. So that's also a proportion.
Yeah, so I agree. So you're talking about the ratios here. I'm talking about the the direct and indirect proportions here. So what I'm saying is, let's say now the people are 8 of them. Will the milk cartons increase or will it decrease?
Yeah.
No, I'm asking you. Will it be increase?
It'll decrease.
Decrease. If the number of people are more, the milk cartons increase or decrease?
Yeah. So if you're going to like if you're decreasing the milk jugs and the people, then it goes down.
Yeah. So, but now the people are increasing, right? See here, you have 4 people. Here you have 6 people. Now next you are going to have 8 people is what I'm saying. So what do you think? How many milk cartons would it be?
How many milk? 8 people there before milk.
Yeah. So what happened? See, it was 2 here. Now 3. Now 4. Is the milk
carton?
carton?
If you had 2 more people, then 2 more people equals another milk bottle.
Yeah. So when both the quantities are increasing, see here, number of people were increasing and the milk cartons are increasing, then it's called a direct proportion.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's see one more thing here. Okay. See here, the pencils. All right.
So here we have 6 pencils that cost 12 rupees, and we have 2 pencils that cost 4 rupees. So the ratio of the first one is 2 to 4, which is 1 to 2, and that is 6 to 12, and which is 1 to 2. So yeah. So for example, you see the 6 pencils and there's the 12 rupees. So another pencil equals an extra 2 rupees.
Okay. So if I say now the pencils, if they increase, what about the price? Will it increase or decrease?
Yeah, if you add another pencil, that equals another 2 rupees.
Okay. So you're saying now this one is also direct, shall I say?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see the next one. Okay. Now you see here. A girl here is walking. She took 30 minutes to reach.
And then it's 20 minutes. So 20 minutes for cooking, 40 minutes for cooking.
You're getting it?
So is it cooking? Is it walking to cooking or is it walking?
No. These two are separate. So this is the, let's say, first case, and this is another case. This is the second case. So let's see the first case. In this first case, when a woman is just walking, she took 30 minutes to reach. Now here she's skating.
Yeah.
She took 15 minutes to reach.
The ratio to that is 30 to 15, which equals 2 to 1.
So Gautam, look at here. So let's say the distance is same, Gautam, right? The woman who is walking, she took 15 minutes, like for the same distance. Let's say distance is 100 meters, right? And the other woman for the same 100 meters, oh sorry, this one she took 30 minutes. She took 15 minutes only. So what you could see here is, right, when they walk, right, the time is getting decreased, right, for the same distance. So that is called indirect proportion. Same goes here as well. See here, number of chefs here were 4 of them. How much time did you take? 20 minutes.
Yeah. All right. So if there's 2 chefs, then it takes 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
But if there's 4 chefs, it takes 20 minutes. So,
yeah.
So the lesser number of chefs, then it takes longer to cook. But the more chefs, it takes less time to cook.
Yes. So here it's becoming reverse. In the direct proportion, it was very proper. Like it was very clean that when something is increasing, right, the other part is also increasing. But in this case, let's say number of chefs are increasing. What happens is,
then the time decreases. The less number of chefs, the time increases. But the more number of chefs, it decreases. That decreases. Yeah.
See here. 2 people are sleeping in 2 beds. 3 people are sleeping in 3 beds. So if 4 people are there.
Yeah. So yeah, that's an indirect, like, because I mean, Another person equals another bed.
So it's a direct, right?
Yeah, because if you add another person, you'll always get another bed.
Yes. Okay. What about the next one?
All right, so after an hour, your battery is full, but after 3 hours, your battery went down. So that's indirect because the more you're using the device, then it's gonna die. It's running out of charge.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, so now you got this concept as well. Let's go ahead. Let's see this thing. Okay, so now you need to figure out in this who is direct proportion and who is, oh, it's not indirect, it's inverse. I'm really sorry, Gautam. It's inverse proportion. Who is direct and who is inverse?
All right, 3 workers finish the construction in 6 days, whereas 6 minutes can finish the same construction in 3 days. All right, so the first one is inverse.
Yes, perfect. Next.
If a car is more patrolled, then more distance can be covered. I think it's direct.
Yes.
Okay, if the cost of only 1 notebook is 20 rupees, then 20 notebooks can be bought. If the cost is 40 rupees, then only 5 can be bought. That's inverse.
Okay.
All right, the taller the pole, the longer the shadow. It's direct.
Okay.
The number of vehicles increase on the road, then the free space on the road decreases. That's inverse.
Yes. That's right. Okay. Okay. So now that you have an idea of how this inverse is working, let's do few questions on this. Okay. I'll just share the screen 1 minute. I think let's do 4 here and let's go back to the ratios and just complete those problems as well. I'll be helping you out over there.
Okay.
Because that should not be pending. At least we need to do few problems over there as well.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Yeah, there you go.
Theorem for 20 kilometers in 18 minutes. He wants to know how much time it will take her to run 52 kilometers. All right. All right. So ratio is all right. So the ratio is 5 to 17.
Is it 4 to 17 or 5 to 17?
5 to 17.
So you did it in 5 table, right?
Yeah, divided by 5.
So 20 by 5 is 4, right?
Yeah. Could you help me? I'm kind of getting confused. Could you help me on this one a bit?
It's 20 over 5, right? It's 4.
Yeah.
So that's 4. The ratio is 4 kilometers.
Yeah.
Here is running 8 in like 17 minutes, right? Now 52 kilometers, how much time will it take?
Okay, so, oh, I know. Wait, I gotta multiply. $221.
Okay, yes, that's right, I think. You know, there is a technique to do the multiplication as well. Right? You multiplied 17 and 13, right?
Okay.
Okay, yeah, let's do this.
All right, if the cost of 18 apples is $10, then what will be the cost of 32 pounds of apples? All right, so that simplified is 4 to 5. So then the ratio is 32 to 40.
For every 4 pounds, you need
Yeah.
5.
No, I know, oh, no, it's 32 pounds of apples is $40.
Oh, you're saying me the answer. Okay. Yeah, that's right.
All right, Henry gets paid $300 for 50 hours of work. How many would he have got if he got 258? Okay, so that simplified is 1 to 6. So I gotta divide.
In 1 hour, you're getting $6, but $258 you were working. You got. How many hours did you work?
If he worked 43 hours, he would have got $258.
How many
43
hours?
hours.
No.
But
43.
it is 43
Yeah.
hours.
Okay. Yeah. This is the last one in this proportions, and then we'll go to the ratios.
What number should be added to 6, 15, 20, and 43 to make the numbers proportional?
You can do only one change, or like however you want to do the change. The number should be added.
I don't know about this one. Could you help me on this?
What?
Could you help me on this? I don't know about this.
Okay. See, they should be in proportion, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I multiply these two, so usually in proportion, when you multiply the extremes and when you multiply these two, it should be same.
Yeah, I think so.
See here,
Yeah.
1:2, proportion 1:2. You multiply 2 with 1 and 1 with 2. You get the same?
Yeah.
Let's say 3:4 is proportion to 3:4. It's the same?
Yeah.
So it should be here also the same. So 43 times 6, how much is it?
43 times 6. 258.
Okay. And 15 times 20?
15 times 20. 300.
300. Now see, Gautam, Is there any way?
Wait, hold on, 42.
What?
42.
You want to make the 43 as 42?
42 is the answer.
Oh, so you want to add 42?
No, yeah, add 42. That will equal it.
For all of them? No, you don't need to add for all of them. That's what I'm trying to say. See, 6 is there here, right? 6 and 43, when you try to multiply, Gautam, 6 and 43, when you try to multiply, you got 258, right? Now,
Yeah.
we need a 300 here. So, whom you want to change? Can you change any number to make it a 300?
No, except for 258.
No, these 6 and 43, one of them can be changed, right? Something can be increased to make it a 300.
Yeah.
So what is that? Which number is that? Is it a 6 or is it 43? How you are going to do? So see here, Gautam, I'll again explain you. See, 6 and 43 is 258. Now do some changes in either of them. Anyone, I'm not going to say whom. It could be 6 or it could be 43. The change should be happened such a way that when you multiply back, you should get a 300.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you try that?
Yeah.
Surely you should increase it. So whom you're going to increase, that you have to decide first.
Mm-hmm. I don't know about this.
Try, man. Like, see, you're getting it. Did you understand what I'm trying to ask? See, again, I'll make it like little more simpler for you. Maybe you will get it. So I have a 3, I have a 7, right?
Yeah.
You have to do some change here, right? 3 times 7 is 21. No, I don't need a 21.
6 times 7 actually.
3 times 7 is 21, but I don't need a 21. I need a 30. Whom you want to change here?
7.
Yes, 7 becomes what? It becomes 10,
10.
right? That's what I was trying to ask here as well. 6
Oh,
times 43
okay.
is 258, right? But we don't need 258. We need a 300.
Yeah.
So whom we want to change and what is the number we want?
Hold on, wait. I think you, hi, hold on. Actually, you want to change 43 to 50?
Yes, that's it. That is what they're asking you. So how much you're going to add? He's asking what should be added. How much is he going to add?
42.
No, you're going to add 7 to 43.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Yes, you got it. Fine. Let's go back to this first one. Yes. Now, can you try this one? First question.
Let me think.
Yeah, take your time.
Let me think. 3 to 1. Who lives near to the school? I think it's John.
Yes, John lives near to the school. Okay, can you complete this table? It's the same ratio, of course, again.
I know, yeah, I know this.
You did
All right,
this?
so 2. All right, first is 2.
Okay.
Oh, wait, I'll do this. I'll annotate 1 minute.
Okay, you can go ahead. Yes, that's right. Perfect. See, I'll be giving you a good news as well. If you could complete this more, how many, I don't know how many problems, then we are done. Like we are done with the day. Okay, can you try this?
Wait, after all these problems are done,
Yeah, after this we are done.
okay. Ratio of outdoor to indoor plays is 2 to 3. If the total number of play times were 30, find the number of outdoor or indoor. Okay. I gotta think this out 1 minute.
Yeah, no problem. You can take it.
Can you help me out on this one?
Sure. So I'll be teaching you something else the same way. Let's say the ratio of outdoor to indoor plays is 1:5.
Yeah.
Okay. And the total number of plays is
30.
yeah, you can say 30, but no, I don't want to give you the same number. I would give you 42.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you ask me, how will I do it? See, I don't know how to just make them separate into two parts. Let's say if I make this to 42 into 21 and 21, the ratio is 1:1, right? I need 1:5. This is not helping me out.
Yeah.
So what I do, first I add the ratios. 1 and 5, how much is it?
1 and 5 is 6.
6. And then I divide this 6 with 42. What I get?
7.
So each part is 7. So my ratio, like this thing will be outdoor place will be 7, indoor place would be 35.
Yeah.
Right? When I add this, it's still 42. And when I do the ratio, it is 1:5.
Yeah.
Okay, now can you try this then? You have 2:3. First, what we have to do?
Multiply.
Add. We added 1 and 5. I got a 6. That's why here I have written, right? 6. I got a 6. Add them. What you get?
Add 2 and 3.
How much is it? Addition, the basic normal addition, 2 plus 3.
Okay.
Five, right?
Yeah. 5, 5.
No. You don't need to add 2:3 plus 3:2. But yeah, see, you got 5, right? This 5, now try to divide with 30.
6.
That's one part. One part is 6. So outdoor would be how much? It's 2 parts, right?
Yeah.
So one part
6
is
is 24. 6 is 24.
no, 6 and 24 is 1:4.
Oh yeah, right. 1 to 4.
Gautam, see here. You got almost. Let's just wait. Okay. I'm saying one part is 6 plays. Okay, play times. 2 parts would be how many play times?
12.
And 3 parts would be?
18.
Now, when you add, is it 30?
Yeah, it is. And that is the same.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Okay. Can you clear this, Gautam? Okay, I'll do it. Don't worry.
I need to wait. Hold on. I need to erase all my. All right, there.
Okay, I've done it. Yeah, can you try this now? It's the same way we just did.
It's possibly sure that he would give his first son about 1,000.
About? No, that
I
about
think he'd
doesn't
give like his
work.
first son 1,000.
No, the same way what we have just done. Can you try the same way?
Okay.
These ratios are there, right? What we have to do first? Add them. Add all of them. How much you get? Just add the ratios. No, what you're doing? No. Just add like this, Gautam. Just 4 plus 3 plus 3. That's it.
Okay. 10.
Yes. Now this 10 should be divided with this guy. I think you know it. You don't need to divide it.
Yeah, 400.
So one part is $400, Gautam.
Yeah.
So first son would get how much?
1,600.
Yeah, that's it. And you can
And
even
the
try,
other two would each get 1,200.
yes, even try to add them. You would surely get 4,000.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'll go down. Where is this? Yeah. We are 3 problems away.
And after those 3 problems, I'm done.
Yes. That's my promise to you.
All right, this is for the first one.
Okay, cancel it.
All right. Oh wait, I need to divide it.
No issues. You can do it. Cancel it such that there is no cancellation left. Like even if it's like 2 table, any table, do it till you complete the.
Okay. All right, the ratio is 15 to 16 simplified.
Yes. Perfect. Okay. Oh, wait. The first one, he said number of students who opted basketball to the number of students who opted table tennis. You don't know how many people played table tennis. You just did the ratio of basketball to cricket. But that's okay. That's the second question. So you're lucky that there is still that question here. You did the second question and that to the reverse of it. It's 16 is to 15. Okay, I agree. That's fine. You did it. But what about the first one? How many players are playing tennis?
Wait, hold on. That is the first one. Oh,
No.
oh yeah, right. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You did the second one.
Oh, yeah, 16 to 15. Oh, right. Yeah, right. $250.
Yes. Now do the
All right,
ratio.
and then cancel those and divide them by 250, and then the ratio is 3 to 1.
Yes, perfect. You got A, you got B. What about C?
Yeah, I'll calculate that. Write down 3 to 1 next to the first one.
Okay.
All right, number of students who opted basketball to the total number of students, 75 to 1,800.
750.
All right, 750. I guess I could just cancel the zero.
Yeah, you can. Actually, you can.
All right, the ratio is 5 to 12.
Right. Can you clear this?
Yeah. Wait, how many more problems are there?
2 more.
Okay, then I'm done.
Yes.
All right, all right, a mom wants to divide her divide $32 between her daughter Sia and Kia in the ratio of their ages. If their age of Sia is 15 years and of age of Kia is 12 years, find how much Shreya and Bhumika will get.
What's the ratio of their ages, Gautam?
15 to 12.
But like when you simplify it.
Yeah. Five to 4.
Yeah. Now from here, you do the same way what we have done.
Yeah. All right, add 5 plus 4 equals
Perfect.
9.
Yeah. And then?
And then I think 36, 9.
Yes.
4.
Perfect. Then? Once you get 4, you need to multiply. See, one part is 4. So 5 parts is how much?
All right, 5 parts is 3. Oh yeah, 3, and then
No, one part is 4. One part is 4. 5 parts would be how much? One part is $4.
yeah.
5
All right, would be 1 1/4.
Gautam, again, I'll be telling you. See, you got 4 here, right? That the meaning of the 4 is one part of it is $4.
Yeah.
Like one part share you get $4. But Shreya is getting Shreya or Sia? Sia. Oh, they have given wrong names. It's Sia and Tia, no? Yeah. So Sia is getting 5 parts. If one part she'd get $4, for 5 parts, how many dollars she's going to get?
Wait, what did you say again? I couldn't hear you.
If at all, for one part she's getting $4, but she's
Yeah.
having 5 parts with her. How many dollars is she going to get?
$20.
Yeah, so
Then
$20.
Tia will get $20 and Tia will get 16.
Yes, when you add them, is it 36 or not?
Yeah, it does equal that.
Okay, can you erase this?
Yeah.
I think last one.
Yeah, last.
Yep, that's the last one.
Yeah. Can you erase your stuff?
What?
Erase your stuff too. Okay, never mind, you did it. All right, present age of the father is 42 years and that his son is 14 years. Find the ratio of a present age to the present age of son. Age of the father or the age of son when the son is 12 years old. Wait, I know this. Hold on.
But first you do A. What about A?
Wait, so all right, so the first is 30, all right, 36 to 12. The father is, when the son is 12, the father is 36.
Why?
Well, never mind. What? Hold on. But I already know this.
No, but okay.
Actually, the father is 40 years.
Yeah. Why would your father be 6 years younger when you are just?
Oh, okay, yeah, whatever. Or age of father after 10 years is to the age after the. Okay, so that's 52 to 22. Wait, actually, it's 50 to 22.
Okay, you're not canceling, Gautam. You're just writing the
So
answers.
yeah, right. I need to cancel this stuff.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
That's
At age of the father to the age of the son when the father is 30 years old.
father is 30. What would be the age of son?
The son is 2 years old. And
Just
that's 51 simplified.
okay.
And that's it.
No, there's one left. I was trying to say you the same. The A. We did B, C, D. Whatever day.
What? How do I do this?
A. Present. Present age of father to the present age of son.
It's 14 to, all right, it's actually 14 to 42 to 14, which
Yes.
equals 3 to 1.
Yeah. So you didn't do the main, the what you call showstopper, the main guy you didn't do. Okay. All right. I think we are done. We have completed all of it
Yeah.
finally. All right.
Bye.
So, wait. Is it the way we could just? I didn't even do today the meditation.
Yeah, maybe we should just do the breathe in, breathe out things right now.
All right.
Okay,
Okay.
breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. There.
Okay. Okay.
Bye.
Wait. I have a question for you.